Dad's just showing one of his friends here the updates on the 1961 narrow gauge.
Okay, we're going to put some gas in it and take it out.
Okay. Okay, we're opening the doors and we're going to pull out both Bombardiers now out of the shop. It's been exceptionally cold here, so we had some freezing on the doors. We're going to get her out of here right away.
Okay, I'm going to run this out.
Okay, just started up the 1961 narrow gauge. We're going to move it out of the shop. There's Schooner Chop Dog. He's got a stick or something in his mouth. Dad's just parking in front of one shed here, presumably just to let it warm up. Probably move the other one in here right away.
Brakes work excellent.
Brakes work excellent.
Yeah, so
okay.
We'll see what the motor's like once we get running around out here under
okay.
load.
Good. What's that?
Tighten the nuts on the door, because these doors should be hard to open, hard to close. Otherwise the fan can suck them shut and you overheat the motor.
Okay. So Dad's advice here is don't have loose back doors here. This one sounds pretty good too. Oh yeah, there you go.
Some of the boys that are used to the old standard steering where you had to really put two hands into to drive it anywhere, might find power steering a little light.
Yeah.
When you only got to use two fingers.
So is that tip of the day?
That's a good tip.
Back out in the yard. It's been about 15 minutes. We just let everything warm up here.
I want to see how the thermostats are working.
Okay.
Running good. I'm just going to tighten up the bolts.
Dad's just tightening up the bolts on the back door here. As he indicated before, you don't want them too loose, otherwise it sucks it back in. This is the 1961 narrow gauge that belongs to the client. Well, it's just tight now. There you go. So we're going to go in, hop in, and do a test run. What are we looking at here?
30 pounds of oil pressure, and the temperature is 160 degrees.
Okay.
It's just warming up nicely. Okay, we're going to take the other one.